Hi guys, Zech here. After the experiment with the polyester belt, I thought I would try some BuildTak on top of the polyester. So I've ordered some fake BuildTak sheets from AliExpress. They're pretty stiff, so let's see what they do. For the first testing, all I did was take one sheet and I put it onto this existing belt. The BuildTak comes with a 3M double-sided tape on the back, so you just peel off the backing sheet and stick it onto the polyester belt, and the adhesive seems to work quite well. So let's have a look what it does when it goes around the roller. Here I'm rolling it slowly and it seems to be sticking and conforming to the roller reasonably well. It does seem to be bulging a bit on the left, to the left of the roller, and coming back on the driving roller on the left. It's lifting the belt a little bit, but I think we can make it work. So here's a test print. I think it's a B-52 bomber, and it has one little flat surface on the wing. So all I did was to rotate it so that is flat on the bed. When it got to the top of the wing, it did mess up a little bit, you can see, but on the side that's on the bed, it looks pretty good. And here's a little benchy. You can see at the back of the benchy where the overhang is more than 90 degrees. The surface isn't great quality, but the rest of the benchy looks fine. So I decided to make a complete belt with polyester as the bottom and then the BuildTak sheets on top of that. So I just made a sheet and then stuck the BuildTak sheets on top of the polyester, exactly the same size. And because of the rigidity of the BuildTak, you can see it sort of forms a square. And here's a time lapse of me printing little light mounts for the skateboard. You can see where the BuildTaks touch each other, there's a little bit of a gap, so it's not perfect, but it does seem to be doing the job. So I'm still having a little bit of issues with the belt not being completely flat and lifting on the edges. I'm considering maybe sticking BuildTak onto a stainless steel sheet rather, but maybe I just need to tension the belt properly, maybe just slightly skew, so I'll give that a try as well. Thanks for watching and thanks for subscribing. Hope you stay safe. See you soon.